So we are going to start now class third C. This is class third C, GSC, GSC and worksheet 16. Worksheet 16 and you also know the lesson 16 also. Lesson 16. So we are considering the worksheet, so we can solve the worksheet 16. Now first you see A, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Now you open page number 88. Page number 88. You see here page number 88 and 89. We have to see here page number 88 and 89. Now see first D is the closest star to us. So first you have to write the Mercury. The Mercury. So first you have to fill Mercury will be filled here. Mercury is the closest star to us. Now second what you have to fill the sun and its family of 8 make up the solar system. So you have to fill the planets, the sun and its family of 8 planets. Second you have to fill planets. Planets make up the solar system. Now third you see the planets move on a fixed path called the orbit. So third you have to fill orbit. First orbit. So third the planets move in a fixed path called the orbit. Now fourth you see the Earth is the only planet where life exists. So here fourth you have to fill as the Earth. The Earth is the only planet where life exists. Now next fifth you see groups of stars making patterns or shapes are called constellations. Constellations. So fill in the blanks. First, you have to fill the Mercury. Second, planets. Third is the orbit. Fourth, Earth, and the fifth is the constellation. You have to fill again. Once listen you. First, the Mercury is the closest star to us. Second, the Sun and its family of 8 planets make up the solar system. Now third, the planets move in a fixed path called the orbit. And fourth, the Earth is the only planet where life exists. And next one, the fifth, the groups of stars making patterns or the shapes are called constellation. So you have to first you fill these in your book notebook and then you have to write the complete sentence in your notebook. Now you see B. Now see next on the B. B here. You can write the B here. Take the right answer. Take the right answer. Right. Tick the right answer. So here we tick the right answer. Here one sentence is given, complete sentence is given, and in this sentence two words are given. One is the correct and other is the incorrect. So you have to tick the correct answer. As first you see, the sun is in the center oblique corner of the solar system. So first you see here, the sun is in the center oblique corner. Two words are given. So which word is correct? The sun is in the center of the solar system. So center will be the correct answer. So you have to take at the center. Now second you write, second CU, all planets have light, no light of their own. You know that the planets do not have their the own light. So light oblique no light. So which will be correct here? All planets have no light. So no light, you have to make the tick mark on the no light. Now third you see, now third, there are 8/9 planets in the solar system. You know that there are the 8 planets in the solar system. So two options are given, 8/9. So there are the 8 planets. Initially, it was the 9 planets in the solar system. Now one planet is removed from the solar system. So currently there are the 8 planets in the solar system. Now next one, fourth, you see the fourth. The pole star is also called, two options are given, Great Bear oblique Dhruv Tara. Great Bear oblique Dhruv Tara. So here Dhruv Tara is the correct answer. So you make the tick on the Dhruv Tara. Now next one, Saptarshi. Saptarishi is a constellation oblique planet. So you know that the a group of the stars make some specific structure, and that is called the constellation. So fifth, sorry, this was the fourth, and fifth. Now you have to write the fifth. The Saptarshi is a constellation. Constellation oblique planet. Planet. So here it is the planet. So planet is the correct answer. So you have to solve it as the constellation. So it is the correct answer, as the constellation is the correct answer. Now next one is the right, T for true and F for false. Now next you have to see, that is the true and the false. Now see the C, we are writing about the C. So you write these. First you write in your the book, then write in your the notebook. So now third, now C, you can write the C. Now C, write T for true and F for false. T for true and F for false. You have to write this. Now this is the C. So we can rub this B portion. I think that you have written the B portion. So we are going to solve the portion number C. So in C you have to write true and the false. So first, sun is a star. Yes, it is correct. So sun is the star. It is the correct. So you have to write the T and second. So this statement is true. So it is the, you have to write the T. The sun revolves around the earth. No, it is incorrect. But correct is earth revolves around the sun. So second one is the false answer. So this is the false answer. This is the statement is the false. Now third you write, on a dark clear night we can see about 6,000 stars in the sky. Yes, it is true. Yes, it is true. We can see the 6,000 stars in the sky and in a clear dark night. Now fourth you see, what is fourth? Many stars are bigger than the sun. Yes, it is correct. Many stars are bigger than the sun. Since sun is the closer to us in comparison to other stars, so sun appears bigger than the other stars, but actually many stars are the bigger than the sun. So this statement is also correct. Now fifth you see, Orion and the Hunter is a constellation. Yes, it is correct. So you have to write these things in your the first write in a book and then write in the notebook. That's for today. We will solve rest question on the next day. Thank you. That's for today.